We understand how intimidating and frustrating it can be to install a shelf or any home decor, but no worries. We want to show you how easy it is to install a set of Willow and Grace design shelves, and no engineering degree required. I'm sure you are wondering if you'll need any fancy tools. The answer is absolutely not. Our shelves only require a drill, or a screwdriver if you don't have a drill, a level, which is included, and maybe a hammer and a pen or pencil. The installation is so easy, you can do it by yourself. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Place your bracket against the wall and use the level to ensure brackets are on straight. Step 2. While holding bracket against the wall, use the pencil to mark screw hole placement. Step 3. Drill small holes at the pencil marks. Step 4. Using a screwdriver, fasten all anchors in place. Step 5. Align bracket holes in wall anchors. Drill or screw your screws into place. Step 6. Slide shelf into place. That was easy. Now you are more organized and the envy of all your friends. Eight quality drywall anchors and screws are included, which work in almost all situations. Because not all wall materials are made equal, and other factors including age, dampness, and extra dryness, the included anchors may not do the job. Solve this problem by asking for Molly bolt anchors from any local hardware store. They can also assist you if your wall is made of brick or block.